Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Amish sourdough starter. My mother brought me my sourdough starter, and if I find any links, I will link it down below. Also at the end of this video, I will be sure to video the directions that I have that she typed up for me. And kind of share that with you if you want to take a screenshot. But basically, she brought me some sourdough starter, and you have to add to it. You refrigerate it 5 to 8 days. It takes a cup of your starter to make bread. Now, the first time I did this, I made bread. In this video, I'm going to make cinnamon rolls. I will tell you that it has been so fun to see how this is going to come out. What I love about this starter, it is super simple ingredients. All it is sugar, water, and potato flakes. And you just leave it in your refrigerator. And after you use it to make your bread, you have to feed it again. And as you can see here, this is my dough that I ended up with, and this is the rise that I got. Now I will tell you, because this is a different type of starter, it takes a long time for it to rise. So I made the dough at 8 o'clock in the morning, and then at 8 o'clock at night I made up the cinnamon rolls, and then in the morning when I got up I baked the cinnamon rolls. I made a cinnamon, powdered sugar, and milk, a little bit of vanilla. This is how I got them all in the pan to put to bed that night. And this is what they look like when they come out. But I made a vanilla, a powdered sugar, and milk kind of glaze. And I just kind of poured it on there while they were hot. If I had to describe what these cinnamon rolls tasted like, I would say it was like a homemade honey bun. So if you love a honey bun, that's what these tasted like. They were super delicious. Everybody enjoyed them. I sent a pan over to my father-in-law's house, but I just wanted to share this with you. I know this is a quick and simple video, but I had to share because if it works for me, it might work for you. There are a lot of different recipes for the Amish sourdough starter with potato flakes online. I will look up some links and leave them for you. This is my cinnamon roll that I am going to eat on this particular morning with my cup of coffee, and I got to tell you, it was super, super delicious. Not only that, super easy to put together. This is probably one of the easiest starter recipes I have ever seen. So I highly recommend. At the end of this video, I will show you the directions that my mom had printed out for me, and you guys can take it with you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll be seeing you again soon. Bye, guys.